Go get him. Go get him, Westy. Call to him, Miles. Westy, no. No. Go find your brother. Go find your brother. Go find your brother. Where's Miles? Where's Miles? Go get Miles. Call to him, buddy. Go get him. Weston, no, that's not a toy. No. Miles, come get him away from the doorstopper. See if he'll listen to you. What's he doing to you? Okay, now help him crawl away. Help him crawl away. Miles.
You don't know how to sit up.
Oh, I think he knows how to sit up. Show him how to crawl away. Weston. It's hopeless. Isn't it, Miles? It's hopeless.